Okay, now this is a little different. It's a piece of wood. I haven't heard nothing about it. Nothing about this right here. But that's why it's several natural healers out there, not just Kareem. It's a lot of us. We here to put that work in to help you understand. But let's get into it so you can understand. Let's get into it. What is the talk about? Let's see.
Palo Azul is one of the best for kidney health. Want to prevent kidney stones? Drink Palo Azul for the next 30 days.
Let's play it again.
Palo Azul is one of the best for kidney health. Want to prevent kidney stones? Drink Palo Azul for the next 30 days.
Okay. Next. What's she talking about?
Ever seen a tea that looks like a mood stone? Brew Palo Azul, and you'll watch the water shift into blues, purples, and golds like liquid crystal. It's called blue stick for a reason, but it's not just about looks. Palo Azul, or kidney wood, has been used for centuries to support kidney health, to flush toxins, and restore balance. As a tea, it's deeply calming. I use it in my dream work to slow down, ground myself, and explore the deeper layers of my mind. It's not just a brew, it's a practice. Palo Azul is beauty, medicine, and ritual all in one shimmering cup.
Now, see, y'all need to understand something. Me as a natural healer, I always make that she don't look too right on that. Let me make sure she don't look crazy looking. Focus on your gut, liver, kidneys, pancreas, and heart. If you can focus on them babies, you are like way more better than anybody else. If you just really focus on your gut, you ain't good. But I mean, give your kidneys a chance and your liver a shot. They need you, and your heart and your pancreas. Okay, those are the five heavy heavy hitters. Okay, let me see what she got to say. Let's see.
Hey, have you ever had kidney disease or are you suffering with kidney disease? Have a seat. Let's have a talk. Okay, so before I ever started on YouTube, before I ever did anything, I was known as the kidney lady because a little over 10 years ago, I was diagnosed with kidney disease. I had let my diabetes run out of control and it had just damaged the hell out of my kidneys and had damaged them to the point where I needed dialysis.
She said she needed dialysis. You know anything about that? That ain't no joke. You can live a long time, 5, 10, 15 years, but it's still, yeah, it's hard on the body and hard on the individual and hard on the family.
19% kidney function. My GFR was in the gutter. It was horrible. So I ended up going and taking the tour of the dialysis clinic because they wanted to put in the port. And as I was walking through the clinic, I will never forget it till this day. I sat there and I said, no,
Now, when she talking about putting the port, they will put something right there by the belly button that connects, and they have to train the family, train the staff, depending on if you're gonna do it at home or if you're gonna do it in the hot and the facility, and they just connect it, and then boom, reconnect, disconnect, and it goes to the procedure of draining, and it could be. I know when you go inside the facility, it could like 4 to 6 hours, but if you have it at home, it's overnight. Okay.
literally, I will die trying, but I'm not going to land in this chair. I refuse. I'm not going to. So I started looking everywhere and trying everything. And when I mean trying everything, and this is before I became an ND, before I got certified as a detoxification specialist, before I learned my craft, my herbs, everything, I was just trying anything and everything. And I happened to walk into a little bodega one day, and I ended up picking this up. Now, I still
Picking that up, a piece of wood. Talk about it.
Travel down into the hood, into that little bodega to buy one little piece of wood for $2.99. So
I think she's talking about $2.99.
that I can make this tea.
Okay. She can make that tea. You may need to know how to make the tea. So we're gonna go over here and because she has a long spiel about dealing with the fight when she was dealing with her kidney situation, kidney disease. She had a fight on her hands. And if you know her and you follow the story, it just wasn't the tea. She heavily focused on flushing the kidneys and heavily focused on flushing the liver, like liver flush, coffee enema, doing something like this daily. People comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Let's go to the next one. Right? Listen to this guy.
Palo Azul, also known as kidney wood. Benefits of Palo Azul: helps to disinflate the body, UTIs, kidney stones, pass your drug test, high blood pressure, diabetes, I think, and with weight loss. Yeah. And today I'll show you
He said passing. Let's play that again. Did he say something about passing?
stones, pass your drug test, high blood pressure, diabetes, I think, and with weight loss. Yeah. And today I'll show you how to make Palo Azul and get this nice, beautiful blue fluorescent color. Yeah. First, grab your oil, fill it up with sink water, just like that. There's no measurements to.
Now, do what you like, but if you want the full solid benefits of anything, you should be using distilled water, alkaline water, or reverse osmosis water. That's just me, or spring water at least. Okay?
Guys, is basically just tea. The way you make tea is the way you're going to make the Palo Azul. On the heat, just like that. Add your Palo Azul to the water, just like that. With this amount of water, I'm going to use 2 bags. I let it brew for 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay, he said 30 to 45 minutes. Let's rewind this so you can hear it. Now listen, he put 6 of them bad boys up in there. You only need 1 to 2 to make a gallon. Research it.
Add your Palo Azul to the water, just like that. With this amount of water, I'm going to use 2 bags. I let it brew for 30 to 45 minutes. Look at that piece of wood releasing all of the goodness. You can drink Palo Azul hot or cold. It depends on your preference. I prefer to drink it cold. Okay, it's been 35 minutes and here's how it looks. I store my Palo Azul in a 72-ounce hydro flask and I do not throw away the bark of wood. This is my old bark of wood and I leave it in there. Now I'm going to add my Palo Azul into my hydro flask. Oh shit. I'm wasting all of it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I managed to save most of it. I will store this in the fridge for up to 1 week. This is the last of my Palo Azul from my old batch, and we're going to drink it together. Cheers. 1, 2, 3 to Palo Azul.
Now listen, do some research if you individuals, get out and you're trying to pass a test. After you make it, steep it in the tea, and you should be drinking that within 1 to 2 days, all of it, if you want success. Individuals that I know use this in the past. But yes, you can store it for refrigerated, drink it a week, drinking 8 ounces a day, and it's loads of benefits. I researched it and I didn't know nothing about this wood, but it just goes to show you. I like to make sure I don't really have to show case studies and show what people stuff do, because people are here to share things with you and for you so you can understand. But it just goes to show you the power of Mother Nature. Leaf, wood, branches, seeds, the inside, the outside, the whole tree. I gotta make sure I focus and talk about the moringa. This bad Mother Nature has always been right there for you. You just didn't know it, but now you know. Herbalistkareem. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbalistkareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.